organizations in today's world are looking for young people who will come to work with them with perspective, and that's what business schools have to bring in to the corporate world. We look for people who not only understand what's happening in the business community, but much more in the entire the world, especially in a scenario where the climate issues are becoming more and more rampant. So business schools must focus on making students aware of issues which are going to harm this earth in the future, or harm the overall economy of the entire globe in the future. We've had some bad experiences in the last couple of years, and we hope that in the future business schools will play a role in ensuring that such aspects do not happen and lead to aspects of recession and things like that. See, as an employer, we look for students with character. We look for students with capability to become leaders in our business organizations. And leaders of the future are not going to be the kind of leaders who only have functional capability. We're looking for leaders not only with analytical capability, which certainly is important, but we look for future leaders to actually lead not only the company, but through the company they lead the world. And that's the kind of leaders we need business schools to create. Soil is not a business school. It's not fair to call it a business school. Soil, the theme that we thought about when we all participate in creation of soil, was to create a fertile ground, literally. Create a fertile ground where individuals and people who have innate leadership capabilities to blossom. And we really hope that soil in the future will create leaders of a very different nature. They will not only play a role in the corporate world, they should actually play a role beyond the corporate world. And that's where I would feel proud that we have achieved something if leaders from soil or students of soil display that capability and that potential and get into those positions which are which could be in politics, which could be in community work, which could be in trade unions. There's no reason why. I remember many years back I've heard this being spoken about by good business managers, that good MBA students should get into trade union movement. And I think these are things which we should think about. We shouldn't hesitate in talking about things which otherwise we always shy away from.